Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can crop video in Medal TV. So after recording your clip, you simply want to edit your video by heading over to the application right here. And once inside, you have your library by clicking on the library option at the side of your screen, which is going to be this one. Now in here, you have the list of all of your videos. You can just navigate through the video that you want to simply crop. In my case, I'm going to be editing this one. And once inside, you want to click on open in editor. Wait for the editor to finish. And the way that you can crop your video is by sliding over this adjustment line right here. And in this way, I'll simply remove the black lines. And if we want to go ahead and crop our video even further, you can just adjust the cropping mask the way you want to. In my case, I also want to zoom in the video while we're at it. And from there, I've successfully cropped the video into this aspect ratio right here or into this format. Click on render video and then you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.